Welcome to my channel. I'm repairing this fan. It has a lot of solder joint here. I will redo all the soldering for those pins, and we will do a test in the car. Now I will resolder all those pins. We begin from the top. We add the fresh solder. I will increase the temp. Some pin has a mass plane. They need a lot of heat to be melted. Now we will move to the lower side. After soldering those joint, we tested the fan, but it didn't turn. And after some inspection, I found that there is a loose wire here. This one, this black one, it's for the control wire. We have two big one. If we can see, those for the power, are those for to control the RPM. One of them is loose. This one. I will try to solder it here, and we will do a test again. We'll do a test between this loose wire and this connection. Here we have those connections for the control wire. This pin and this pin. And those for the power. And those three, we can zoom here. Those for the three brush of the winding. The three terminal brush. I can test them. They are okay. They don't use a Hall effect sensor in this fan. Those for the power. They are okay. And one of this is for the control. One for the control is okay, and the other one, it must be connected to this loose wire. We'll do a test now. No, it's not still connected. Maybe there is a... Ah, it's okay. It's connected here. It's connected here, so it's okay. This here, and the other for the lower pin. Okay, so I must connect this wire inside this connector. This is due to corrosion. Here we have some corrosion, internal corrosion. We must protect the other pin also. So they use here some foam this is a foam, not a silicone. So the water enter and damage the wire here. This is the rubber used, it's not a foam, it's some rubber joint, and we found here some either a oil or a water. So the water entered from this pin and damaged the connector. I will try to see if we can solder here inside. We must use a flashlight. I have nothing left. There is any pin there. I can see here. I haven't any pin left. I will try to solder in the other side. I removed this connector from its place. Now I will try to remove this, to separate the two parts here maybe, in order to get to solder this pin. Now this is removed. Maybe we can do a hole here and pass a new wire. I will shine the light from the yes, there is some light, so you can see here that the light passed. So we can pass a wire here from this pin. We can pass a wire and solder it here. I will try to use the black wire. This is a black wire. It's only for signal. It's not carrying much power. So I must clean the connector. Then I will pass the wire. I will cut the wire. I will pass the wire from this side. From this side. And I hope it will cut out from the other side. So this one. I will enlarge the hole with this tiny screwdriver. I will enlarge the hole, this hole. So maybe now it will enter. Yes, we have some progress. I hope it come out from the other side. Okay. We have our wire here. Now I must do a few turns here around this pin, and I will try to solder it there. It must be a tiny blob of solder in order to not damage the connector. It must be cleaned before soldering. It must be cleaned. I will solder from this side. Now I will try to wait a few turns. I will use some tweezers like those one to turn the wire to make a new turn. Now I will try to make a tiny solder inside to fix the wire there. I will power on the soldering iron. After that we will solder those two wire. Of course I must add this tiny bushing, this rubber, to protect the wire from the humidity. And I will use some heat shrink tube. You must find a tiny heat shrink tube inside this box. It's not in order. Maybe we will use this size. Use this size of heat shrink tube. Now I must find the soldering. The soldering iron is heated up. Now we will try to solder this tiny wire. Now it's soldered inside. I will do a test. Now it's making a contact. I will solder the two wire here. I must put, of course, this tiny bushing. It will go here inside. I will add some silicone. I will use this tiny. Now we will cut the wire and I will put the heat shrink tube. I will use a larger one because after soldering the diameter will increase. This is a tiny for this wire. Maybe this one is okay. Now we will solder the two wires together. Just before securing them. It's okay now. We have a contact. I will secure this. Nose wire. Now the repair is finished. I will do a test if it's working or not. Now after soldering this tiny wire, I will secure the connector here in this place with this plastic bracket. Now it's okay. I will call the owner of the car and we will do a test. After connecting the fan, it starts turning, so the problem comes from that corroded wire. Now we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.